In this video, we're going to show you how to create a poll on Instagram. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Polls are a great way to see what your audience thinks. Whether you're asking about their favorite product, color, or opinion on something, polls help boost engagement and interaction. First, open Instagram and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap the plus icon in the top left and select Story. Now choose a photo from your gallery or take a new one using the camera. Once your image or video is ready, tap on the sticker icon at the top of the screen. From the sticker menu, tap on Poll. Now you can type your question. For example, do you like the sun? Below that, you'll see two answer options like yes and no. You can tap on these to edit them and customize the answers however you like. You can even add more options depending on the poll format available. You can also tap the color option at the top to change the poll's color style. Once you're happy with it, tap Done, then drag and position the poll anywhere on your story. You can resize it using 2 fingers. When you're ready, tap your story or close friends to post it. To see the results, open your story and swipe up. You'll be able to see who voted and the overall results. And that's it. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy social media tutorials.